Merry Christmas everyone! Welcome to my unboxing of the Icon Must Give featuring BTS-V. So yung binili ko is yung C-type. Saktong-sakto yung pag-uwi nito sa piling ko kasi magbe-birthday na si V. Happy birthday, V! Take care ka dyan. Here's the overview. Meron tayong planner, postcards, photo cards, stickers, and yung magazine or yung photo book. So, ito yung photo card. Meron akong dalawang photo card na nakuha, pero supposed to be dapat 3 yun eh. Wala rin akong nakuhang lenti. So, sabi nung napagbilan ko, may issue nga daw yung ibang the Icon sets. Ito naman yung postcard. So, meron akong nakuhang 5 postcards. Yan. So, kompleto naman siya. Lahat yan ay black and white. And white lang yung background yun sa likod. Plain lang. Next is the planner. The Icon yung nasa likod. Tapos nakalagay, Must Give sa harap 2024. Ayan. So, hati yan sa 3 parts. So, yung first part is yung monthly planner. Nag-start siya ng December 2023, which is the birth month of V. Yan, nakalagay doon sa date na 30, this day. Ito na yung second part, which is the weekly planner. Yan, may photo muna ni V kada parts. Yan, ayan yung weekly planner 2024. And the last part is yung memo pads. Blank notes lang siya. Pwede kayo mag-scribble and write your notes. Ganyan. Next is ito na yung ating photo book or yung magazine. Nakalagay dyan, a magazine about V. So, meron siyang mga photos ni V and a little notes tungkol kay V. Yan, I'll just show you yung ilan sa mga photos niya. Hindi ko na inisa-isa kasi marami-rami siya. So, itong concept na to, what I really like about is yung costume niya dito. He is wearing white. And then, yung theme niya is like white and gold. Yan. So, nahati din yung photo book na to into 2 parts, I think. And, yung second part, doon is parang it shows yung layover concept, which is yung naka-casual lang siya and then mga shiny background, ganyan. By the way, na-report ko na rin sa seller na may kulang akong isang photocard tsaka lenti cards. Sabi ng seller, i-report niya daw sa the Icon. Sobrang bait niya. Sabi niya, papalitan niya daw yung lenti ko. Thank you, seller. So, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Happy birthday, V!